excited that WHYY has a children's program, and it creates a good bonding opportunity for me and my children. Nowadays, we are trying to limit the kids, less screen time, but actually technology can be very helpful.
I've been learning multiple ways to code, and it's like you tell your own robotic story.
They're not sure how far they can live on Earth because they are not Earth material.
In school, we do lots of science, social studies, and my teacher said we're going to learn the engineering design process later in the year, so I already have a head start.
This is a great program. It makes coding easy, interesting. I'm glad to introduce coding to my children when they're still young. It's also an opportunity for parents to learn and practice and create something awesome with their children. I think the best part is for me to learn that I can learn with my children together. And in the beginning, I was more dominating and want to take the lead, but later on I realized I can let my kid to take the lead. I'm just here to support and I'm learning with him together. I think that really helps him knowing that I can create something and I can take the lead. And I learned that I need to step back sometimes.